Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will delve into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since February 21, 2025, our system has ranked Nvidia as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.67. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock experienced a loss of -3.21%. This translates to an average loss of -1.61% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -5.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -16.64% to +1.60%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 59.80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 47.37% and 92.84% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between 191.70 and 250.85. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Nvidia as stock downgraded to strong sell candidate." On the last trading day, the Nvidia stock price experienced a decline of 3.21%, moving from $134.40 to $130.08. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated 6.54%, reaching a low of $130.08 and a high of $138.59. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a modest gain of 0.63%. Trading volume increased by 23 million shares, albeit alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 249 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $32.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $153.13 and a low of $75.61. Currently, the price is 15.05%, or $23.05, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia is currently facing a critical moment as investors prepare for its earnings report this Wednesday. The market has reacted sharply to concerns surrounding DeepSeek's impact, leading some analysts to argue that these fears may be overblown. Recent analyses suggest that sellers are exerting substantial resistance on the stock, raising concerns about potential further declines. Market sentiment appears jittery, with reports indicating that nervous investors are rotating out of Nvidia and other major technology stocks, signaling caution in anticipation of a broader market correction. Despite this, Nvidia and companies like Goldman Sachs are identified as being in or near buy zones, offering a potential opportunity for traders looking for quality investments amid volatility. Interestingly, Nvidia is perceived as attractively valued compared to its peers, despite its leadership in the artificial intelligence sector. This contrast between valuation and market reaction could have significant implications for Nvidia's stock price in both the short and long term. If the earnings report reassures investors and dispels concerns about DeepSeek, we could see a rebound in Nvidia's price. Conversely, failure to address these issues might reinforce bearish sentiment, impacting its long-term growth trajectory. Overall, the upcoming earnings will be pivotal for Nvidia's positioning in an increasingly competitive market landscape, and investor reactions will be key in determining its immediate future. Let's take a look at the analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Sunday, the 2nd of February, 2025, Citigroup assigned Nvidia a buy rating along with a recommendation to hold. The following day, on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, HSBC also rated Nvidia as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, Oppenheimer provided an outperform rating for Nvidia while advising to hold. Earlier on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, Citigroup once again rated Nvidia as a buy with a recommendation to hold. Finally, on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, Jefferies gave Nvidia a buy rating along with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were also issued, which may impact the near short-term outlook. The Nvidia stock is currently receiving sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $136.76 and $133.93. A break above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 20th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 7.16%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia is finding support from accumulated volume at $128.99. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $8.51, which is approximately 6.54%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.36%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 26th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 84 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $133.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $128.99. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Puri Ajk, who bought and sold 36,600 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 91.416. In total, insiders acquired 99,852 shares and disposed of 8,102,378 shares during the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia currently exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak over the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a sell to a strong sell recommendation since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of February, we anticipate that Nvidia will open at $2.84 and commence trading at $132.92. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.